Quick walk around this 2014 JB Dreamline. This van sits at 20 foot, equipped with shower and toilet, queen size island bed, solar, heavy duty drawbar and the likes. So we'll start up the front. We've got a standard 50mm hitch with our heavy duty drawbar, 12-pin trailer plug with Anderson plug. We've got our diesel heater tank, twin gas bottle holders with full bottles, and a firewood rack. The beauty of this drawbar is it runs right back to the axles, so stops that movement between the body and the chassis. Under there we've got our two 120 amp hour AGM batteries, big through tunnel boot. As you can see, stands in really good nick. Doesn't look like it's had a whole lot of use. Got some all-terrain tyres on alloy rims. Gas and electric hot water system. Storage box in the back here with some privacy screens for the awning. Got LED tail lights. Got 11 months Victorian rego. As you can see, it's really tidy in the body. Big roll-out awning. Picnic table. Got a gas bayonet up the front, so perfect to hook the Weber up to when you set up. Underneath, we got two 95 litre water tanks. This van is semi-off-road, plenty of clearance, so no dramas there. As you walk in, big three-way fridge freezer. Up the back of the van, we've got our bathroom, so toilet, washing machine, and full-size shower. Our kitchen, 3-burner gas stove with 1 electric hot plate and full oven. Cafe-style dining with a fold-away table and recliners. Perfect for just sitting there having your morning cuppa. Queen size island bed with our diesel heater underneath. So caged off so you can still store stuff in there without restricting the airflow of the diesel heater. Dometic block out blinds. We've got our radio, all our bits and pieces up there. TV mount. In here we got our battery charger, our solar controller and the likes, battery protector and stuff. So as you can see, this van's in really good nick. Heaps of storage. Microwave. Here we've got, 24th of April 2025 is the expiry of the rego, so plenty of reg left on it. For more information or to book an inspection, please give me a buzz on 0498 541 795. Cheers.